Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my Spider-Man web shooter out of basically mostly just a badge reel, and works super well. It's not like you can swing on it. It's not what it's for really, but its main purpose is like grabbing stuff. So if you have anything ferrous, stick it to a magnet, like a tools or anything, it's amazing for that because it can just whip out, grab it, and it'll slip right back to your hand. It's really easy. You can just make one at your house. All you really need is just any sort of badge reel. You don't actually want very strong badge reels. I started with a strong badge reel for this, and I actually had to replace the spring inside because it was too powerful and it wouldn't be able to shoot it out. So just real cheap, just badge reels are great. I got these at Staples. And then any sort of strong magnet, it needs to be strong though so it can actually pick up the stuff. I just have 2 on here so it's enough weight so you can like really kind of shoot it out. And then any sort of strap or anything to attach it to your wrist. I bought this nice watch strap because I want it to look nice, but you really just need a badge reel, a magnet, and just something to put on your wrist, and that's it. Okay, it's all finished. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. It looks pretty nice. Let's go grab some stuff. So anyway, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.